In front of me is CROSSCALL Core M5, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Firstly, open Devices Settings and scroll all the way down right away. Then click on About Phone section. Now tap on device name and type in wherever you wish to. I will go with Sunny. When you finish, hit OK in the pop-up and then OK again in the other one about visibility. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!